Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing and a what's in my bag for this cute bag that's inside. We're going to get straight to the punch. This bag is from ogbags.ru. This is the box. This is how it came. Of course, it had the paper over it, but I have opened it up. So this is the cutie. So I thought I would get a small bag that I can wear. You know, like if you're at a restaurant, you can just put it on the table. If you go out somewhere, you can just wear it like this. So I just thought this was so dainty and so cute. Came with this ribbon if you want to give it for a gift. Of course, it had all of the bag with the instructions, the receipt, all the little papers to it. It comes with more tissue paper, and that is if you want to put it in the gift bag for a gift. And this dust bag is too cute, and it's good quality. The bag was protected well in this plastic bag, and it came in a FedEx box. So what I'm going to do is take everything out of the bag and off of the bag, and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so it is so cute. Look at it. I love the chain. The chain looks really nice. It feels great. And this was protected with some plastic over it. And I'm not sure if it's real leather, y'all. On the site, it did not say it was real leather. It smells like it is, but I'm not 100% sure. It feels great. Zipper works really good. On the inside, it has the Gucci on the inside. And on this little flat pocket, the inside feels great. Feels like some type of soft, suede kind of, but silky. Don't know what that material is, but that's how it feels. And it is cute again, y'all. So you can, if you want to go out somewhere, you can just wear it like this. You can go to a concert or out to eat. I thought about, like, if you go out to eat, you don't need anything, you know, real big and bulky. You can just sit it to the side on the table, and there you go. So this is the front, the back, side, and of course the bottom. It's a thin bag, and I will do a what's in my bag so you can see what can fit. So stay tuned for the what's in my bag. Okay, y'all. So I got the box back here so it can stay standing up. But this is the bag. Remember, this is just a little date night bag or girls' night out or brunch. So I don't need much in this bag. And this is a little pom-pom put on here for a little cuteness. This is an overview. Okay. So inside I have this little wallet that I got from Amazon. And it just has a few cards in it and some cash. I don't have any change in here, but change can go in there. I have some Bath and Body Works This is Island Margarita, and this is hand sanitizer, of course. And I have some Purell wipes, a panty liner, shot wipe, and a rainbow panna wipe. I have my keys with this cute little key ring on it. And I got that key ring from Temu. I have this black cherry merlot hand lotion from, this is actually hand cream from Bath and Body Works. I have some lip gloss. And I have this, and this is called Chasing Fireflies. This little perfume spray from Bath and Body Works. I got this on a 40% off sale. It smells pretty good. I don't have anything in this inside pocket, but I could have put something there. And this is a closer up look. So you guys, that's everything that fit inside the bag. Thank you to OGBags.ru for collaborating with me on this bag. I really do like it. It's so cute and it's just what I need. Just a quick little bag that's very cute and classy to wear. I can wear it, I can dress it up or dress it down. It's a very nice bag. So if you're interested, go to the site and I will leave everything in the description. You can use the code Angela for 10% off. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.